Welcome to this tutorial on how to bulk move your posts to different categories and tags in WordPress. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to manage your posts more efficiently by updating multiple items at once, all within a matter of minutes. We will begin by accessing your WordPress account and continue through selecting the post you wish to update before finally applying your changes. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right hand corner of the screen where you will see the login option. Click on the login button to be directed to the sign in area of your account. This login process ensures that you are accessing your personal dashboard securely and that any changes you make will be applied to your own site. After clicking on login, you will have the opportunity to authenticate your account. Instead of manually entering your credentials, choose the option labeled Continue with Google. A list of your Google accounts will appear, so simply select the account you usually use with your WordPress site. This method of logging in simplifies the process by using the secure credentials already associated with your Google account. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to your posts page. This is a central location within your WordPress administration area where you can see every post associated with your site. Taking a moment to understand the layout here is helpful. Here you will see a list or grid of posts that have been published, drafts, or that are pending review. Next, decide which posts you want to update by highlighting the desired items. Use your mouse to click on and select the posts relevant for this bulk update process. This selection process is crucial because it ensures that you only modify the posts that need to be moved to a different category or have their tags updated. Visual indicators on the page will confirm which posts you have chosen. With your posts highlighted, direct your attention to the top of the page where a drop-down menu labeled Bulk Actions is located. Click on the drop-down menu and from the options that appear, select the Edit option. This action prepares the selected posts for mass editing, allowing you to change attributes such as categories and tags simultaneously. Once the Edit option is chosen from the drop-down menu, click on the Apply button. This tells WordPress that you are ready to proceed with editing all of the selected posts together. When you click Apply, a formal widget appears that contains the fields available for bulk editing. Within this bulk editing interface, you will find options to change the categories of your posts. Look for the section that pertains to categories and make the necessary adjustments by selecting the appropriate category for each post or for all posts collectively depending on your needs. This step is key to organizing your content properly and ensures that your posts appear in the correct sections on your website. Finally, once the changes have been made to the categories, proceed to click on the Update button. Clicking Update applies your modifications, permanently associating the selected post with the new categories and tags you have designated. This bulk update feature not only saves time but also makes it far easier to manage large volumes of posts without the need to edit every individual entry. Thank you for following this detailed guide on how to bulk move posts to categories and tags in WordPress. By following these instructions, you can efficiently manage the organization of your content and ensure your website remains well structured and easy to navigate. Enjoy the streamlined process and the enhanced control over your posts with WordPress.